guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for joining me. So I was just going through my drawers and I came across this palette here. I had every intention, I think around Christmas time, to do some swatches for you guys. It's a Makeup Obsession Crystal Waves palette, and for some reason I didn't. And I was looking on Beauty Boxes by Tammy and I saw the Michaela and Glamlight collaboration. And I was looking at the pastels within that palette and I was oohing and ahhing, and I'm thinking £52 though guys, £52 a lot of money for a palette. And I just thought, I bet I could dupe that within my collection. There's some special shades in there that I probably couldn't dupe, but I just need to see the swatches and see if I've got something similar around the collection. I don't need to be buying every new release. Who am I trying to kid, me or you? But yeah, I don't need to buy it, especially when it's a £52 palette, guys. I just don't have the money for that. So this one is real pretty, is it not? For a pastel palette, that is really pretty. I think this one, I think I got it for like £5 in the sale. £5 or £7 in the sale. So Makeup Obsession are a part of Makeup Revolution's line, and it's really hit and miss on their palettes. Not Makeup Obsession necessarily. I mean, I'll show you. Right, so these are the eyeshadow palettes I've got as part of the Makeup Obsession line. So I got them before I started collecting Colourpop, so we've got quite a few here. We've got Ocean Blues, which just looks like that. It's really pretty. They are quite good as well. So that just looks like that. I've used that one. Of course I've used this one. This one is probably the best out of the lot. Sunshine Makes Me Happy. And you can see that I've used that. I've used and abused it quite a bit. In fact, I haven't. I only did like, I think about 4 or 5 looks with it. I can't remember. It'll be on my channel if you want to go and check it out. But yeah, that one. Keep It Fresh. I don't think I've used this one. If I have, I've probably used it once. Yeah, you can see this silver hasn't been used. These mint greens down here. This one, I think the only shade I've used is Buy Me, and I've got them in Colourpop palette, so I don't need it. I think these are going to end up getting decluttered, which is a shame because it's £20 worth of palettes. I think they're £5 each. And then we've got the Sweet Like Candy, which is also a beautiful palette. This shade here is a beautiful duochrome. It's called Love Hearts. It's just really good. I mean, I would recommend them if you live in the UK, and they still sell them. I think they do. I think they brought out some others since these. I mean, are they the best palettes you're going to find? No. But they're £5 guys, and you know, you can get like a bundle for 20 quid, so why wouldn't you try it? I don't know what I'm going to do with these, to be honest. I know that they're going to get decluttered, and I'm surprised I'm decluttering this because you know how I feel about yellow, but I've got so many yellow eyeshadow palettes I don't need it. So that's just a little spoiler, what I'm going to be decluttering when we get round to it. Okay, so now then I'm going to take you over to my vanity and we're going to start swatching this beautiful palette. So today we are just going to do some swatches on this beautiful palette here. It's called the Crystal Waves. It's by Makeup Obsession and it's purely a pastel palette. So ideal for summertime. It's got plastic on it. I know for sure. I haven't swatched it then. Could actually give this away in a giveaway, but I'm going to keep it because I love pastels. And like I said, I was looking at that Michaela palette. Gosh guys, it's beautiful. So that's it there. Right, so let's first go in with Baby Pink. This one here. I'm using the better camera, so I don't know how much you can see. Is that better? Let's zoom in a bit then. Right, so Baby Pink. That's it there. It's more like a lilac-y pink. Gonna need a few swatches of this. So that's it there. Then we've got Starfish, which is this really gorgeous coral. That'd be such a pretty shade for all over the lid in the summertime. So that's that. Then we've got Rose Quartz, my favourite stone. It's a little bit chalky, guys. Let's do another swatch of that. So the first two were mattes. That's a shimmer. I'm going to try and roll this sleeve up, it's a bit tight. So that one is Rose Quartz. The next one is Freedom, which is just a nice inner corner highlight. Bit golden. It's actually more pink, like a goldy pink. That one there. So far with the shimmers I'm finding them chunky. And then we've got Mother of Pearl, another shimmer. Oh, that looks like a duochrome. Yeah, that's a duochrome. I'm really going to build the swatches up on this so you can see it. I'll turn the light down as well later. That's that one there. Okay, so let's start again. So I was just saying that's definitely a duochrome there. Let's push this tripod back a bit. So that was Mother of Pearl. So now we're going into Tranquility. Oh, this is a really nice blue. It reminds me of the one from the Odin's Eye palette. So that's that one there. Then we have Opal. The formula isn't great, guys. This one has got like a pink duochrome shift to it. I'm hoping it's going to be better on the eyes, otherwise this one I'll be going as well. So the next one is Azure. Is that how you pronounce it? That's really, really nice. Right, so if it's the shimmers that are quite bad, I'm going to keep it for the... If it's the shimmers that are quite bad, I'm going to keep it for the mattes, because the mattes, as you can see, are really, really nice. Like this blue is really pigmented. The next one is... Let's just wipe the hands off. Let me go wipe. So the next shade, which is the third row down, is called Lucky. Even that's pigmented. Yeah, we'll definitely keep it. Right, it's not that pigmented. But I can use my e.l.f. shadow stick with it to make it more pigmented. The next one is Spirit. Oh, that feels really, really smooth. Look at that yellow, guys. Not as pigmented as I would like, but let's see if we can build it up. Oh yeah. That's a yellow. The next one is called Mystical. It's not a bad palette for the price, and I know I definitely got this in the sale. So if you're after some inexpensive drugstore pastels, yeah, it's not bad. The next one is Glisten, which is this silver. Oh, that is so foiled. It's a bit like the Colourpop Elsa. I don't know what it's called in the Elsa palette, I'll find out. But it's a bit like that shade. Really, really foiled. If you like silvers, you're going to love it. Look at it compared to the rest of the shimmers. Right, last row down, guys. So we've got Amethyst, which is my birthstone. I could have used this in that collab that I did with Tracy from Palettes, Pouts, Perfume and Panning, I think it is. I bet I've got it the wrong way around. It's supposed to be a purple, but it looks like a blue. on the arm. The next one is Mermaid, which is a shimmer. Again, it's not that great. I'm hoping if I spritz my brush that it'll be better. So that's that one there. The next one is So Wavy. It looks like a glitter. It's not. It's a shimmer. Oh, that's gorgeous as well. It looks like it's one of those shades, when you use your finger, it will have serious hard pan on it though. I've got a few of these shades in different palettes, and even one in my Wet n Wild palette that I'm using at the moment in Call Me Sunshine. There's one in there that does it. It's really frustrating because people do hand swatches. So that's that one, So Wavy. And then the last one is called Calm. Right, so it's not the best palette that you're going to find. I still think my Moira palette that Lisa got me from Banning Panning and Beyond is the best pastel palette that I've got in my collection, but I feel like this would work really well with that, because in this palette you've got some shades that aren't in that pastel palette. You've got some really nice mattes here, guys, really nice. So yeah, you've got some really nice mattes here. This silver here as well, if you can see it, that silver there is absolutely stunning. It's a stunning palette. I just need to see how it performs. So that's what it looks like. Really nice packaging. Let's see how many mattes we've got. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 mattes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 shimmers. So you're getting a good ratio there. I like more shimmers to mattes, but the mattes are better quality, guys, if I'm being completely honest, which I am very transparent on this channel. I would have preferred 1 or 2 more mattes because they are better quality, but I feel like the selection of mattes is really pretty. So guys, this concludes the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, share and comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.